did the lesson. Which one? An unlucky millionaire. Today I am going to show the answers for these questions, okay, in that lesson. So first one, fill in the blanks. Pegu lived in the northeast part of India. When Pegu fell outside the temple, he caught hold of a straw. The first thing that Pegu came across after he started walking west was a firefly. Pegu addressed the young lady as Sauli. The rich man lived in a castle town. Next one, tick the correct answer. Who saw the firefly that the young man had? The baby. What did the mother give to the young man? Oranges. What did the young man do with the fruits? He gave it to the young woman. What did the soldier ask for? A bale of cloth. Whom did Pegu meet at the rich man's house? The man's young daughter. Next, write true or false. Pegu prayed to the goddess of wealth. False. The Sulai had been robbed. True. Sorry, Sauli ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ವಾ ವುಮೆನ್ಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, Pegu gave away things willingly to those in need. True. The soldier rode on an elephant. False. Pegu came to be known as Dayalu Kautipati. True. Next, write the answer in a few sentences. Who was Pegu? See, an honest, good-hearted young man called Pegu, who lived in a village in northeast India. He worked from morning till night but remained poor. This is the answer. Next question. Why did Pegu go to the goddess of mercy? He thought he was unlucky. One day he prayed to the goddess of mercy. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರು ಅವರು? He thought he was unlucky. What did the goddess promise Pegu? This. When you leave this temple, you will fall down and catch something. You should travel in the west direction with it, no matter what. This is all I will tell you. The rest is up to you ಅಂತ ಗಾಡೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮರ್ಸಿ ಪೆಗುಗೆ ಹೇಳಿತು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಪೆಗು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಯಂಗ್ ಲೇಡಿ? ಆನ್ಸರ್ he saw a Sauli or a young lady suffering by the roadside. He rushed to her side. And also come to next para. We are on our way back from her grandmother's house. All our food and water was stolen by robbers on the way. She needs food and water very badly. Please help us. ಗುಡ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ವಿಲೇಜಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಪೆಗು ದಯಾಳು? ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ. ಪೆಗು ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಲಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ಕೌಟಿಪತಿ ಆರ್ ದ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಹಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮಿಲಿಯನೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸಿ, arrange these words in alphabetical order, then refer a dictionary and find their meaning. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮಿಲಿಯನೇರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಮ್. ಸೊ ಮಿಲಿಯನೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂಸ್ ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ million or more. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್. ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆರ್ reach an agreement about an argument or problems ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಚೀವ್ ದ ಡಿಸೈರ್ಡ್ ಏಮ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಸಫರಿಂಗ್, ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಪೇನ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್. ಅನ್ಲಕ್ಕಿ, likely to bring misfortune. So next, fill in the blanks with the correct continuous tense form. Look at the cough. It is jumping beside its mother. Grandpa was walking in the garden when he saw my uncle. He usually goes home for weekends, but this week he will be staying here. When are you coming next? By next December, Mom will be touring North India. Fill in the blanks with present continuous tense. Grandma is attending the meeting tomorrow. Speak softly, she is sleeping. The police are chasing the thieves. All of us are rehearsing for tomorrow's concert. The audience was or were listening to the speaker attentively. So, this is the answers for those questions, and also this chapter is come to your unit test. So, be prepared. Later I will announce the timetable. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.